Hi, welcome to my channel Teach Me. In this video I'm going to show you how to add bullets in Excel. Before that, don't forget to share, like, subscribe and click on the bell button. So I have a blank Excel table. So I'm going to create some data. So I'm just going to say Apple. If you press Alt and Enter, that will give you a next line of the same cell. I'll just say orange, mango, pineapple. So I have a list of items in here. So how do I add a bullets in front of this? So in order to add a bullets in front of this, so just go back to the cell. By default you have a home. So if you go to insert menu, then there is a symbol. If you click on the symbol, and there's an equation and a symbol, click on symbol. And in symbol, if you don't have a bullet selected, so let's say you might be somewhere, I don't know, somewhere here, right? So if you go to this character code, go to character code and type in 2022, that will take you to the bullet. So you could pick another font if you want, but if it's not there, just by default, I like to pick Arial because Arial is a common font, right? So pick Arial and 2022, and that will take you to a bullets. So click on insert and close. As you can see, it's inserted at the end, right? So all you have to do is press shift and left arrow to copy that, select it and press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy. Then go back to this apple and paste space. I'm going to go here, paste space, paste space, paste space. So you have to add it manually. There is no easy way that you can add a bullets here. So this is how you add a bullets in Excel. Thank you for watching.